Our mission at Liberty is to develop a program where people can look at it and think there's a different way that we can do this work, and perhaps maybe a better way.
We're trying to understand how to do things in a way that's more harmonious with the world around us, and how that plays a big role in health for wildlife species, plant species, and ultimately for ourselves as well.
The goal of the Liberty Utility Resiliency Corridor project is to enhance forest health while also mitigating for wildfire danger in important wild and urban interface areas. Forest health is a forever project. Trees are going to continue to die, trees are going to continue to grow. We're going to have to manage and continue to think about the risk to the power line, the risk to the community, and the health of the forest through a changing landscape and a changing climate.
Being open-minded in the field is very beneficial, and it's working out to help us as well as all the other partners, including the wildlife.
We have a really knowledgeable group. We're applying the right types of decisions for the right reasons, and we're learning, and I think that's equally as valuable.
We want Liberty and its utility vegetation management program to be recognized as a best in class and looked at as trendsetters for being able to think outside of the box.
The overall vision is that we've broken this corridor into 3 parts. It's really about thinking through the health and consequences of removing any individual tree. We have the ability to integrate a more feathered landscape and give a more natural contour to the forest. Bear in mind that all of these zones are natural. We would have clearings and we would have heavily thicketed forests. All of this is a mosaic that we would see in nature.
I really think that for the vegetation management industry, we're really close to getting to a point where we can change the philosophy of do no harm to actually do good.
Wildlife especially do better at that feathered edge. It's an animal highway.
Here we have a utility company that's willing to be audacious.
We're going to be seeing a lot of experimentation and innovation in the next number of years in forestry. We have to. Having resilient power lines that aren't just a name, not just a buzzword, but something really resonating at the ecological level. Something that has the capacity to support the wildlife that people know and love in the Tahoe Basin, has the ability to do its job, providing power to the communities and preventing failures and therefore fires in the future.